In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone inside Rednote. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Rednote. And now there's a couple of ways to do this. So we can go to if there's someone that's following you or you're following them, just click into following or followers, find that person. Then once you've found that person, I don't have any followers at the moment, or I'm not following anyone. I'm just going to pick some random person here. So now, for example, I want to go ahead and follow this person. I'm going to follow, and now I'll go back. Now I'll go to my profile, and now I'm following someone. So now if I want to block this person, what I can do is click on the three dots next to them. And then from here, I want to click into their profile. Then once we're in their profile, we've got three dots on the top right hand corner of the page. Click onto that. And then at the bottom of the page, we've got a few options. We've got copy, link, report, or block. So to block someone, go ahead and click on block. And then as it states here, he, she cannot be able to view your notes or interact with you and will not receive a notification of being blocked. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and block that user.